Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Polaris Sportsman 570. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Polaris Sportsman 570 with 1,543 miles runs well. It comes equipped with reverse and has been upgraded with a Polaris trunk. Powered by a 567cc two-cylinder engine, the Sportsman puts 44 horsepower through a PVT transmission. It has a 4.5-gallon fuel capacity, an 11-inch ground clearance, a 33.7-inch seat height, a 1,225-pound towing capacity, and a 753-pound wet weight. We measured this vehicle's charging output at 14 volts, both front tires at 6/30 seconds, and both rear tires are at 8 and 7/30 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted a slight clicking noise in the driveline when the ATV is under load. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's paint peeling and bubbling on all four wheels. This vehicle has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.